Are you ready to step into a world full of surprises? Every frame in this video tells its own story. Every moment feels like a miracle. From breathtaking wonders to heart-stopping close calls, these clips will make you say unbelievable. A building suddenly collapsed in New Orleans, all caught on dash cam in a chilling moment.
Quality windows, happy customers.
Just a discount.
Oh my goodness. Torrential rains unleashed flash floods and landslides across India and Pakistan. Whole regions trembled under nature's power. In a split-second, waves slammed into a home in Verdanthi, North Carolina, leaving onlookers in shock.
That's so cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, man.
A landslide swept through Papamoa Hills, New Zealand, a stark reminder of mountain safety. Have you ever faced danger on the trails? Share your story.
Whoa, there you go.
High winds can rip trees from the ground at any moment. In Dayton, Ohio, a car was crushed, but luckily no one was inside. Oh my gosh. A store floor caved in under heavy shelves, terrifying, but luckily no one was hurt. A massive tree crashed down, blocking a group of motorcycles. One was pinned, but miraculously no one was injured. As the plane approached the runway, it suddenly wobbled and made an emergency landing. Everyone on board was safe. During a snowstorm, a plane collided with a luggage vehicle. A container was even sucked into the engine. A FedEx plane made a hard landing in Chattanooga. Sparks flew as its wheels hit the runway.
I got that on video.
In Belgium, just a few hours of rainfall turned city streets into a sea of water, sweeping away parked cars with ease. When floodwaters covered the streets of New Jersey, kayaking suddenly became the most unusual yet effective way to travel. Typhoon Haiyan slammed into Tacloban in the central Philippines. Watch how the winds tore through the city, and remember, always seek safe shelter during storms. A blinding bolt struck the sea off Queensland, a dramatic reminder of nature's unstoppable force.
And it's still
Maybe too strong, but
whoa! Yeah! What the?
Off Maafushi, Maldives, stunning footage above and below the surface revealed a pod of dolphins leaping gracefully, a true dance of the ocean. How many dolphins can you count in this magical journey? Drop your number in the comments below. Out of nowhere, a rock slide hit a supermarket parking lot in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. The ground shook, but thankfully no one was hurt. Oh my goodness. Right after takeoff, a helicopter suddenly lost control and clipped a parked plane. Thankfully, the pilot reacted quickly and everyone was safe. A car came with its seconds of being struck, but the driver jumped out just in time. In northeast Arkansas, a fierce hailstorm hit. As the thunderstorm rolled in, it looked like rocks raining from the sky. Huge hailstones hammered vehicles along the highway in Amarillo, Texas, making driving nearly impossible. A sudden storm shut down a ride at Six Flags Mexico, leaving thrill seekers stuck midair. Thankfully, everyone was brought down safely without serious incident.
Nos está comiendo un asador con nosotros.
Floodwaters rushed through Ruidoso, New Mexico, swallowing the streets and forcing evacuations. We can only hope recovery comes quickly. Ruidoso faced back-to-back disasters, raging wildfires, followed by flash floods tearing through town. A reminder that nature is unpredictable and safety planning is essential. A terrifying sight in Bajo Oquisamana, La Paz, Bolivia. A massive landslide engulfed the area in earth and dust.
No hay nada que hacer.
Nadie en esa casa, no hay nadie.
¿Cuál es su casa?
Señor, no hay nadie en esa casa, mía, no hay nadie.
Levanta, viene.
A pressure cooker exploded after its vent got clogged, the kitchen rattled, but thankfully the woman escaped unharmed. In seconds, a shop turned into a fireball, shocking to see, but also a strong reminder of fire safety. Who says only humans can be romantic? These two seals just proved otherwise sweeter than any love story on screen. A giant manta ray performed a spectacular flip while feeding in the Maldives, moving so elegantly it looked like an underwater dance.
Thank you for seeing something. Wow. Oh my gosh.
In Buenos Aires, part of a festival stage was blown apart by a violent storm. A chilling reminder, everything can change in a split second. Dubai streets turned into raging rivers, debris flying everywhere as extreme weather swept through the city. Luckily, no one was on the road at the time. powerful tornado ripped through Jonesboro, forcing people to flee for safety.
It's on the ground. We're watching the power flashes.
Calm
Apparently it is north of I-5 where it is.
Going to continue to point this out. Just right now, he's picking up debris. That's what you see in the
Jonesboro. This is a tornado emergency.
Lightning lit up a monstrous tornado in North Dakota. Have you ever witnessed such a storm? Share your story in the comments.
Right now.
A terrifying moment on Highway 4, flying debris slammed into a driver's car during a violent tornado. Fearless surfers took on a massive wave off Tahiti, Polynesia, an epic and nerve-wracking ride. Out of nowhere, a strange wave crashed onto the New South Wales coast, sending beachgoers running for safety. The sea roared in Grand Haven. Massive waves swallowed the offshore lighthouse in a breathtaking but terrifying sight.
Oh my gosh! I just would like to get home and at least get in the... What do you want me to do? Look at these dogs. Oh my god.
An SUV nearly collided with a speeding train. Only a few seconds stood between life and tragedy. On a snowy crossing, a bulldozer almost got hit by a train, but in a miraculous moment, it turned away just in time. After treatment, tiny penguins waddled happily back into the ocean at San Clemente del Tuyo, Argentina.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
What a lucky rescue. Firefighters saved a white husky after it fell through the thick ice in Muskegon, Michigan.
Hold on, Mike.
After a harsh winter storm, the Coast Guard released sea turtles back into the Gulf of Mexico, a fresh start for their ocean journey.
See ya.
Woo! There you go.
A gorilla swayed back and forth on the grass as if enjoying the most relaxing day ever. On a California farm, this horse seemed to have a passion for music, eager to sing along with its owner. Pure energy. A horse in Lansing, Kansas showed the true meaning of friendship with its human. The Tamarack fire burned fiercely along the highway near Markleeville, California, smoke and flames towering over the road, making people feel so small against nature's might. A fiery vortex spun above as the Tamarack blaze crossed from California into Nevada, an overwhelming yet dangerous sight. Always keep your distance. At night, Mount Etna erupted in Sicily, a dazzling natural fireworks show lighting up the sky. Truly majestic, nothing compares to the strength and beauty of Earth itself.
Back out the left side, and then within 7 more minutes it would start again. And so this morning it was doing the same thing, but getting way bigger.
Thousands of fireworks exploded at once, lighting up the sky like it was about to burst.
This is insane.
A gas blast sent massive plumes of dust into the air, shaking the entire highway and forcing an emergency shutdown.
O gasoduto que passa aqui dentro da fazenda do Rio.
Heavy snow piled on a gas station roof until it gave way and collapsed instantly.
This is the view from downstairs. As y'all can see, we got a bench on the loose.
Not just streets, even everyday objects were swept away. A bench floated like a lost ship in floodwaters in St. Augustine. Strong winds and heavy hail swept across Great Falls, throwing everything into chaos. Massive hail pelted Georgia. Maybe it's time for something sturdier than an umbrella. Looks like this manta ray is ready to join a dance show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us on this journey to explore our incredible world.
Oh my God. Ooh.
And over Mobile Bay, a waterspout and lightning created a jaw-dropping natural light show. Beautiful to watch, but only from far away.
Dude, it's moving pretty fast. I mean,
Driving through a dust storm in West Texas is extremely dangerous. Slow down and find shelter. In western New York, cars disappeared under thick blankets of snow. Authorities urged everyone to stay off the roads.
Probably get like 10 feet.
When lightning strikes, find shelter fast. Don't risk standing outside. Safety always comes first. Oh no. A massive wildfire ignited after lightning struck Central Oregon, spreading fast, a frightening display of nature's fury. Kilauea's lava fountain shot hundreds of feet high, nature's raw power on full display. Above Michigan skies, the northern lights lit up in dazzling colors, reflecting across Lake Superior in a breathtaking scene. If given the chance, would you spend a night under the glowing aurora?
Wow. Wow, this one's even better than last night. Holy.
Thank you for watching. Every view and comment inspires us to share more wonders. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss what's next. See you soon.
wow.